Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this Dreamy video filter on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this video right here, and I'm also going to just copy and paste that. Go to the effects section, and you're going to search for blur, and you're going to select the blur, and you're going to you're just going to add it on the video. You're then going to select the overlay here. Go to the blend mode and you're going to select brighten or the screen one. I prefer the screen one. And yeah, that is pretty much it. You can adjust the opacity here if you'd like to, if it's too much. But I'm going to select the screen one. You can also adjust the colors here if you'd like to make it maybe a little bit more blue or maybe a little bit more yellow. Most Dreamy videos are a little bit more on the yellow side. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comments section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.